Imagine describing a mechanical part and watching FreeCAD build it automatically. By the end of the series, we'll build a complete AI system that can design real CAD parts automatically using FreeCAD. The full system and architecture will be available inside the community. But today, we start with the foundation. This is part 1 of the AI plus FreeCAD series. FreeCAD already supports Python scripting, but until recently, connecting large language models directly to CAD software was extremely difficult. Today, we're using something called MCP, Model Context Protocol. It allows an AI model to call tools that interact directly with software. In our case, those tools manipulate FreeCAD. The prompt. Let's test it with a simple object. Behind the scenes, the AI will call tools similar to create cube, cut cylinder, export STL. Behind the scenes, the AI generates FreeCAD Python code like this. FreeCAD executes the code and creates the object. So we just described a part and the AI built it. Let's understand what just happened. The AI does not magically draw shapes. It generates FreeCAD instructions, which FreeCAD executes, FreeCAD Python API, MCP tools, LLM tool calls. Design a boilerplate drone mount. Later in the series, we'll go much further. We'll build a full AI CAD automation system, but before that, we need to install the bridge that connects AI to FreeCAD. In the next video, we'll install FreeCAD MCP and connect it to Gemini. This is where things get started. Part 2. Install AI control for FreeCAD. I'll see you in the next.